Up. Yeah, buddy.
That
Up.
way.
Up. 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 No excuses. No excuses. Up.
Yeah, buddy.
Up. Okay, if you're a man, if you're a Muslim man, you need to be training. You need to be in the gym. No excuses. You're accountable, you're responsible, and you need to be training. I'm 55 years old. I'm a granddad. And I don't make excuses, so I don't want to hear yours. Things are not going to get any easier in this world. And we need you to step up. Get in the gym. I don't care if you're powerlift, bodybuild, boxing, MMA. Be in the gym, be training, be ready. Okay? And that, at 55, that's all it is. Stay ready. Peace.